On today's menu, an easy, no BS, pumpkin spice cake with coconut frosting. Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. There's only one thing better than pumpkin spice latte, and that is pumpkin spice cake. Preheat your oven to 350. Mixing bowl. Half cup pumpkin spice puree. 1 cup cane sugar. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 1 cup coconut or almond milk. Whisk. Teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons cinnamon. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 cups flour. Mix. Oil an 8-inch baking pan. Into the oven for 50 minutes. While that's in the oven, we can make our coconut frosting. Young Thai coconut. Strain out the coconut water with a sieve. Harvest your coconut meat with a spoon. Rinse your coconut meat in cold water. Half cup cane sugar. Coconut meat. Teaspoon vanilla extract. Tablespoon coconut or almond milk. 1/4 cup cashews. Store your frosting in the fridge to thicken up more. That just smells absolutely incredible. An easy but absolutely delicious cake you can make with confidence. Now that literally is a piece of cake.